If you're looking for a great candle this fall that just smells great, has like a nice spice type of smell, you want to check out this candle by HOMESLAVER. Thank you so much for the free sample. So I really like their packaging. I like, it has the little font there, it says Hello Fall. So it's infused with cider, cinnamon, jasmine, and amber. Has the container is glass, so just be careful, dropping it. It's a little bit heavy, which is nice. So there's lots, this will last quite a while. And yeah, let's take a look, see how it looks lit. Let's light this bad boy up. So again, just like a regular small standard candle, really, really nice smell though. I can smell it even though I'm holding the candle, so it smells great. Like I said, it has like a spice type of smell. A little bit pumpkin spicy, I guess. So that kind of smell. So hope you enjoy it. There's nothing else on the back or anything, and this is the box that it comes in. So yeah, and it has a nice little box that it comes in. So yeah, so hope you check it out. Hope you enjoy it and enjoy your candle.